The SP Local heads to a hidden tunnel portal that is mostly view-blocked from the visitors' standing locations by an extension of a large hill. The next scene will bring another Sacramento Northern train behind the pair of F3 units that are cleared to cross this bridge. The trailing caboose is another brass model of the WP's converted boxcars. The last scene is that WP Alco number 551 that is returning with a short local train. We hope this presentation is giving you a few ideas for your own layout. Look for mini DVD videos on our website covering rail topics of steam, diesel, plus electric interurban and streetcar systems from the past. From our archive and other resources, we use old film never seen before to create these productions, bringing history and beautiful scenes that you can no longer see. This is the homepage of our website. The numerous videos are on a number of pages, and in most cases, clicking on a DVD cover face will reveal a preview video for viewing. Thank you for watching.